ran into some problem. I never seen something like this. This is the tip. It looks plastic, but the nail is the nail. So yeah, I gotta change it. Always gotta have your stuff with you, handy. Deluxe tire plug kit, and I got my pump. So let's see. This didn't use them at all. First time. So let's check it out. Damn, this thing is like a screwdriver. It's not even a nail, it's a screw. What the heck was that? Damn, that's my first time to see something like this. Look at this. How the hell this thing go in? This is impossible. It's like somebody left it in there. Guys, this is my first time doing something like this. But I bought it a long time ago. Never used it. I don't even know how that thing goes. I don't even know if I'm supposed to use this rubber or not. Warning, rubber cement mixture is extremely flammable. Do not. Nope. 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 That's not the way you gotta do it. So you put it inside here. 2 times I tried it. It was the wrong way I did it. So you put it in here, and then you plug it in, and then you move it with force. Let's see if this time is gonna work or not. I think I should have put some oil. It's gotta be the oil now. You guys need I have a small compressor. You can plug in to your compressor. Now, the trick is to pull it out. Yes. Whew. The trick is to pull it out as fast as you can, because you see these lines right here? It comes out of this thing right here. Whew. We got it. I just got to check it out if it's if there's any leak, anything, and that's it. I'm gonna check if it's leaking. No leak. I don't see any leaks. Since the weather is hot, this thing will be good with the thread. So I think guys we're good. Peace out. Thank you very much for watching. And it's a quick fix, man. Anybody could do this. You could buy this at AutoZone, even though, you know, I'm not sponsored for them. But it's not that much, like $3, $4, $5. And you have 1, 2, 3, 7 of those. Peace out.